Hello friends, good evening. My name is Lalita and today we are going to discuss about today's editorial page. And today's topic is Alone at the Top. The gaps in India's healthcare exposed by the pandemic must be closed quickly. So this is now the corona pandemic. So in this pandemic actually between the people and many gaps were occurred due to some business loss and many things. So they are saying that it need to be recovered quickly. For most of this month, India has consequently been contributing the most number of daily confirmed COVID-19 infections to the world. So, means this month actually by today August has ended. So for this month, the India is actually like every day it's reporting more than 10 cases, not more than 10 cases, more than 50 cases overall India. So COVID-19 infections in our India is more than 50, and in other countries will be more than 100 or like that. So overall the world is suffering from throughout the corona. This week it's reported that 78,508 infections on a single day, a record single day spike that has pushed the infection tally to over 3.6 million. So this week actually this week this is Monday, like last week, like by today it was confirmed that in the last week there are 78,508 infections in a single day, that too. So like in a single day those many cases means it's a very hard, and like overall 3.6 by like after this count it confirmed that there is 3.6 million members are suffering from the corona. In March, when the epidemic was yet to take hold in the century, there was a belief that it could be vanished. In those days, projections based on epidemiological modeling indicated that millions would be infected were met with a denial by the government as well as disbelief by many. So in this March, when this epidemic was took a hold in the overall the country, like there was a belief that it could be vanquished. Like we know that vanquished means defect, so there will be a defect. And in those days, like in the olden in those days means in the past days, the projections based on the epidemiological modeling which was indicated that millions would be infected were met with a denial government as a disbelief by many. So some people wouldn't have their belief, and some people are firstly they are scared about the disease they got, and because of that only mostly in million, actually for in a million 100 members had lost their life because of only fearing. If we don't have fear, then we may have hope that we could be alive, especially because of how it had polarized medical health systems in Europe and United States. So means this is mostly like it's harmed because like it was pulverized by the mostly medical systems in the Europe and the United States. The dominant note in the government's narrative on how it had handled the pandemic is that it has kept India's death rate low. The dominant note means the government's narrative means the government is saying that it had handled the pandemic and that it had kept India's death rate very low. So in India actually for suppose in a 5 members are affected by corona, but death only 2 members, so 3 members had got their lives back. So like more death cases are not there in India. India's confirmed case fatality rate CFR is below 2%, totally to over 64,500 deaths. So we got the count which were affected by corona is 3.6 million overall the world, but in India number of deaths are only 64,500. The US and Brazil, the only 2 countries with more cases than India. So the US and the Brazil, the only 2 countries, means in overall the world only these 2 countries they are having the more cases than India itself. Like in India, case for fatality rate means having an availability, not availability, chances of getting disease in India it is below 2%. And next, and it have a CFR of around 3%, and like, and good number of countries that lead COVID-19 totally have their confirmed deaths in that region. So in the other two countries, Brazil and uh, so in USA and Europe, like the CFR is around 3%, and the good number of countries that lead COVID-19 tally have the confirmed deaths in that region. So in every country they had tallied their, like they had given a tally mark of the deaths. And where India too have a similar death rate, that would work out to 103,000 deaths. Whether the nearly 40,000 averted deaths are so far evidence of a dodged bullet or in the part due to the undercount that results from the states not reporting suspected of the problem's deaths. So like in India also, actually, like there was a similar death rate, but that would be work out around 103,000 and 103,000 deaths, where nearly actually 40,000 were averted. 40,000 like members are averted deaths. So like there is a very fair evidence to dogged bullet, and there is a part of the undercount that results from the states that was not reporting the suspected of or probable deaths, and like that required ICMR guidelines, and that was not medically certifying all the deaths that can only be known by more data being made available in the future of an analysis. So this is not medically, but like with the deaths can also be known by the more data, like by giving a more available in the future for the analysis. That the virus has managed to infect some of the India's more secure tribes. In the Andaman and Nicobar, it's a pointer that it has now set deep roots within the country along with several other bacteria and viruses that thrive in India's tropical climate. So, this virus which was affected had infected most part of the India, and in the tribes who are living in the Andaman and Nicobar, actually they set the deep roots for their safety measures. But within the country, even we got other bacteria and viruses that thrives India tropical because of the India's tropical nature. Its invisibility had contributed to the widespread adoption of face covers and masks and the vital role of maintaining hygiene and avoiding crowds. So, like widespread adoption means in a crowd, like we could spread our disease, right? So in that we have to maintain a mask, gloves and everything, so we could have a very good hygienic health. And mostly we have to being trying to avoid the being in the crowds. These are welcome behavioral changes that will serve well in the future when India will continue to grapple with the season's outbreaks and epidemics of the influenza, dengue as well as its old scourge of TB. So after this corona had ended, like again we need to be even it had ended, we need to be careful, because still now more than actually it had started in the month of March and still now it's continuing. So like even though even it had decreased, we need to be careful, but we have to take some precautions to be not affected by the influenza, dengue and the TB. Means like we are having chances for affecting. The healthcare system being pushed to its outbreaking points has also underlined the country's historical neglect of widespread, affordable healthcare as well as the paucity of qualified personnel to treat the poor. So the healthcare system means the healthcare system which was pushed by the breaking point, and it had also said mainly that the country's historical neglect means the country is being neglected, so these type of viruses are affected. In spite of availability of sophisticated labs and expert scientists and doctors, India continues to struggle to develop ingenious testing kits as well as conduct well-designed trials to check for the efficacy of drugs that might help with the infection. So like in the spite of availability, in the sophisticated labs and the experimental scientists, and we are having a good doctors in India, like they are being going on giving their 100%, and they're struggling to mostly they're struggling to protect the people's life, and the gone lives are already gone, but the lives which are like the chances will be like who can live, so they are trying to protect them. There must be deep reckoning to fix gaps in the manufacturing and the product delivery chain, to put in the place of new habits and direct a stronger line of defense against future blights. So there is a deep reckoning of the fixed gaps, and there is also manufacturing a product chain, and these have to give a new habits and erect a stronger line of the defense against the future means we have to fight for our future. So this is today's topic, and now we are going to discuss about today's meanings. And first one is marginalized, means to treat an insignificant or peripheral. To treat an insignificant means which was not significant, means like which was not considerable, like treating that one is called as marginalized. Cogent means clear, logical and convincing. Logical and convincing means while convincing anyone, we need to have a logic in that, means we have to convince them in a logical way, so that if we convince in a logical way, they may accept they may accept very fast. Affirmed means declare, state or assert. Declare state means declaring, like in our school they declared holidays for 10 days, so that is called as affirmed. Competence means capability, ability. Ability means the students have the capability to do these many for 10 hours continuous homework, so like that. Homogeneous means of the same kid, alike, similar. Similar means being in a same qualities is called as homogeneous. Trickled means flow in a small stream, spill or ooze. Flow in a small stream means we would have streams, big streams we would have small streams. Small stream flow, the flow in the small stream is called as trickled. Tinkering means try to maintain or repair something. Means I try to maintain means I try to maintain a running notes for particular subject, but but it is I didn't write that notes continuously for 4 days. Caveat means warning, caution and admonition. Warning means giving warning to someone in a very harsh way is called as caveat. Jurisprudence means the theory or philosophy of law. The theory or philosophy of law means philosophy means giving statements about that, means the theory of law is called as jurisprudence. Veering means change direction suddenly, squee or wheel. Change direction suddenly means we are going in a car, for suppose we are going in a car in a straight path, suddenly he turned to the right way, so that is called as veering. Moot means a debatable, arguable, raise a question for discussion. Debatable, arguable means for example, I'm an mootical means I can argue with anyone. Vanquished means defeat, this we already had discussed. Pulverized means reduced to fine particles, grind, crush or defeat utterly. Reduced to fine particles means if we are having our lunch, if we are chewing in our mouth something, actually they become crush. So we and grind because we are crushing on that way, so that is called as pulverized. Averted means prevent, stop, avoid. Preventing means taking measures to be not affected. Dogged means avoid by quick sudden movement. Avoid by quick sudden movement means because of some bad situations I had changed into this way. Invincible means too powerful to be defeated. And grapple means bristle, struggle, tussle and brawl. Struggle means facing a struggle, the doctors are facing a lot of struggle to reduce the corona over the patients. Reckoning means action of the process of calculating something. Reckoning means calculating something. In maths we calculate many things, in life also we have to calculate many things, and that is called as reckoning. Efficacy means effectiveness, productiveness and potency. Effectiveness means getting affected by something is called as efficiency. So this is today's editorial page. Thank you.